art room for this year. So just imagine yourself nice, calm, chill, Bob Ross inspired year. That's how we're going to roll this year. There are 3 things that I want to share that are going to help guide our school year. Here they are. It's to be kind, be strong, and be well. Be kind means being kind to yourself, kind to others. Okay, a little bit of golden rule action there. Be strong in mind, body, and spirit. And then to just be well, to take care of yourself, mental health, body health, social health. Um, it's a year where we're just going to start to kind of take care of ourselves and take care of other people as well, just to holistically be well as a school. Couple of things that I want to bring to your attention. Here we go. The Bob Ross chair and the entrance door. You know, those of you that have been to Minawashta before, that I've got an entry door and an exit door. The entry door, you're going to be greeted by little Bob Ross and our little mustard chair with our big old rubber ducky right there. A couple things that have not changed. Um, the art elements and the art principles. This is an area in the classroom that will help guide a lot of our projects. The art elements are things like line, shape, color, texture, value, space, and form. Those are the things that help, again, guide the projects that we do. The art principles are how the art elements are arranged. So, like unity, emphasis, contrast. Some of the older kids in 4th and 5th will start to learn those art principles to prepare them for middle school. Now, we also know that taking care of our art materials is a really big deal. So I will always make sure to teach you the safe way how to use materials and to make sure that our room is clean and well taken care of. Your job is to make sure that you treat those materials well. Now, accidentally, if you break a pencil, something like that, an accident, here's the cool part. Kids tell me. And that is golden to me to admit your mistakes. I love it. So we want to generally take care of our art materials. If you make a mistake, accidentally break something, just give me a holler. We'll keep moving forward. Such is life. Sharp and dull pencils. This is right underneath the TV. Can you see it? It's right there. Can you see it? Can you guys see it like right there? Like look down, like right now. Okay, let's look right below you. Sharp pencils, dull pencils. If you need a sharp pencil, take your dull one, put it in the dull bucket, and then you're going to grab a sharp one and skedaddle back to your spot. Sound good? Okay, here's the demo desk. This is where I do a lot of demonstrations. This is where I read books from. That little chair I sit on right there, and I put my work underneath the camera as a way to kind of show you different techniques, tips, and tricks to fill your toolbox. Next one. This is the dry work parking station. So you can see that there are all of those little white labels there. That corresponds to either 5th grade, day 1, 5th grade, day 2, and all the way down. A lot of times, some of you remember this, that little clip that's at the top, that clip is going to go in a spot, and you know to put your dry, 2-dimensional work in that spot. We'll practice that routine. Okay, these are 2 of our really beautiful art room friends that'll rotate throughout the year. You know me, I love toys. I love keeping our room really fun. So these are just 2 of the fun characters. If you have a special name for these 2, you let me know. A couple names that have been floated, Carl and Carlotta, Carl and Alice. Totally up to you guys. I don't know. Taylor and Travis? I don't know. I said it. Okay, this is the broom station. The broom station is essentially where you get the brooms. So you can see there are little hangies, and I put little pieces of yarn on there. So when you need to go to the broom station, here's the cool part. During cleanup, we oftentimes need people to use those brooms. So if you're the first one there, awesome. If you notice something that needs cleaning up, thank you. That's what we do to keep our school clean and looking its absolute best. Okay, on the left, we see our sink right here, right? The sink, 2 spots for you to get soap, wash your hands, and then directly behind you, attached to one of those roller carts, is the paper towels. Now, why did I move them right behind you? Well, it was a really good idea. And two, the paper towels were put up too high before. So these are at the perfect level. There's a garbage can right below. So you dry hands and then drop them in there. Now, we'll go over that routine one of the first weeks of school. Art room library, you know it, you love it. This is where, after we're done with projects, if I say art room library time or go to the Mosey Library, that's another name for it, you are welcome to go get one of those books, bring it back to your spot, and read quietly. Kids are really good at this, and I love to see kids immersed with books. That is one of my favorite things. And oftentimes I will read from one of these books at the very end of a project, every grade level, because readers are leaders. That's why. Next one, this is the art room exit. So this is typically where classroom teachers will greet their students and then they go out this door. Now you can see there's an open sign right there. I can tell you when I'm open or closed. I also use that as kind of a routine at the very beginning of class to say when we can talk and then when it's time to transition to our project and learning. Now, this is Chris. This is me with my high school best friend, Chris. Chris, some of you may remember, in a couple months ago, I went to Paris to visit Chris because she was there working because she's a big deal. And so I went to go visit her. And she has always been a near and dear friend to me. And I think Chris is somebody that we're gonna leverage this year. If we have a question about something, we're gonna contact Chris. So she's gonna be kind of our classroom friend and consultant. So kind of exciting. I'm very excited to see how this works out. But just know Chris will come up throughout the year. Thanks. So thank you. That's just a little bit of a snapshot of what's happening in the art room this year. And feel free to reach out with any questions or comments. I'm happy to connect. Take care. Bye.